Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel AM Gravis. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money with giveaway social. But before I get to this tutorial started, if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell. Whenever I uploaded video, you get notified, and I assure every one of us have the app give it social. If you don't have the app, I will drop my link on my description of this video. You can click and register through this description, and as you are registered, you will entitled to 20,000 coins, of which you can convert this coins to dollars. Aside from this, you can also make money with this by making just upload picture. So I will explain everything. Let's get to tutorial started, and let me get to the app. Now you can see the app. This is Give Social. After this one, let's move to the app. Yes, thank you. You can see this social giveaway. Giveaway Social is an app that's just like Facebook and Instagram. But this app, you cannot chat. You can also chat, but just comments with the picture and other things. The main point of this app is to post a picture, very beautiful picture. By the time you post a very beautiful picture, you can see many people posting very beautiful picture here. And as you are posting, people will like your picture. As they are liking it, you will be collecting coins. Forget whether you are new or not. If you are new, you will see many people liking your picture as long as you post beautiful picture to this app. Look at this one now. Let me show you this one. You can see. Don't forget to like your friend's photo and see who like your photo to take your earning to a whole new level. Aside from this one, now you can also answer a survey. By answering a survey, all this survey is just very simple. You name yourself something different one, and you earn coins. And don't forget, these coins you will now convert it. For instance, now let me show you the coins I have here. Look at these coins. This is the coins I have now. I have 33,824 coins. I just uploaded just two video here, and you can also, as you are uploading correct and beautiful picture, you will be seeing a followers. You can see my follower, they are up to 314. That is my followers. And then this 33,824, and I want to convert it now to cent. So this is the converter to US dollar. And don't forget all this one. Let me first explain this one to you, so in order to understand this. Now look at all this one. Look at this place. All these are the money you can withdraw. You can withdraw this money as long as all your coins you have converted to 0.90 cents, 0.51, 0.19, 0.91 Europe, and everything here. So all this one is what you can convert. As long as you convert to all this, so you will withdraw the money. But for now, let me teach you how to convert. So just press this one. So you can see the number of coins that I have coined, exchange, number of follow. Let's use this to follow others people. So if you are also following other people, you get coins also. Now I want to convert this one. Convert. Successful converted. Your coins to be chosen. Okay. So this one is already convert, and then I still want, you can see that I still have 20,000 to convert. Also, you just, what I'm doing here, some of you may not see it. Let me show you this converter. And then I told you earlier before that 10,000, and when you are up to 10,000, you can see it here. You can see it here. Just see it here. So when you have 10,000, it's equivalent to 1 cent, equivalent to 1 cent. The secret of this app is that you have to, if you want to make good money, you have to make this place your home. As you are browsing Instagram, Facebook, you must be browsing this every time. You must give time or hours to this app. Just uploaded new picture, natural picture, or scientist picture, or something that surprise picture. You can just be posting. Okay, let me continue with this conversion. So let me convert this one also. Convert. You don't have any coins again, so all this one has already been converted. And then let me come to this place again. Coins, number of coins you have at the moment, like say, okay, all right. So converted, everything has already been converted. So let me go back to this place now. So you can see that I have already converted those ones, and then I'm not up to the one I can withdraw. You can see I still have US dollar 0.4 cents. So you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.19 US dollars. This one now, instant cash out, you can use Coinbase, airtime, you can use Payer, you can use Perfect Money, you can use Advance Cash. You can also use Amazon, you can use PayPal, you can use Litecoin minimum withdrawal. You can use Binance to withdraw the money. You can see you have many options to withdraw your money. This is your email, they will send it directly to you. And this app is a good app. That is, I have won $25 so far, because I just started this app on January, and then I have won $25 so far. And then the app is you have to be coming to this place. No, I'm busy, I'm a busy type, so I just say, okay, let me give you this one out to my subscribers, and yes, you can take this out and you earn your money without any investment, without any stressing yourself. But make sure that you are coming to this app and uploading picture, like many people other picture. Also, as you are liking, you will be collecting coins. As you are uploading also, you people will be liking it, and you will be collecting coins. As you are collecting the coins, so the coins you now convert, you convert the coins to dollar. You can see now I have 1 cent before, and this one has already changed to, it's already changed to, you can see now it's already changed to 0 cent. So you can see this place now, it's 1 cent before, so US dollar is already changed to 4 cents. So that is how you make money with Give Away Social. And follow my link down the description, and you can, you can register through that. And if you have any question, you can just drop it and I will reply to you. And ladies and gentlemen, if you find this tutorial useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.